let's be totally honest here. If you've been digging into the supplement industry lately, you're probably super skeptical of all those flashy marketing claims you see online. And honestly, you have every right to be. We're about to uncover some deeply deceptive practices that are literally hiding right in plain sight. So, welcome to this explainer on the black seed oil whistleblower investigation. Today, we're teaming up to cut straight through the noise and look at the hard data. I want to ask you a serious question. Are you drinking toxic solvents masked as wellness? Now, I know that sounds incredibly extreme, doesn't it? But guys, this is a high-stakes reality for millions of consumers out there. We're constantly sold this beautiful promise of pure, natural, cellular health. But what actually happens when that vital medicine is quietly replaced by cheap industrial shortcuts? You might fully believe you're nourishing your body, when in reality, you could be slowly poisoning it. But before we expose exactly what this industry is up to, we really need to understand what we're fighting to protect. What you're looking at here is the legendary seed of blessing, botanically known as Nigella sativa. And its historical track record, it's just absolutely unmatched. Get this, a stash of these exact seeds was actually found inside Pharaoh Tutankhamun's tomb. They considered it an essential item for the afterlife. And it wasn't just royalty. The absolute founding fathers of medicine, guys like Hippocrates, Dioscorides, and later Ibn Sina during the Islamic Golden Age, they all relied heavily on this plant to treat respiratory, liver, and digestive issues. This wasn't just some local folk remedy. This was the ancient gold standard of care. Okay, let's dive into this because this isn't just a fun history lesson. We're talking about hardcore, documented clinical science here. The real therapeutic magic of this plant actually lives inside its volatile essential oils, specifically this miraculous little monoterpene molecule called Thymoquinone, or TQ for short. TQ is the main bioactive compound that gives the oil its incredible antioxidant and cellular defense powers. And it's incredibly unique because TQ can literally cross right through your cellular membranes to interact with metabolic pathways and neutralize oxidative stress right at the source. It's amazing. But here's the crazy part. The scam against your health, it starts literally at the soil level. Look at the difference when you put them side by side. True, actual botanical medicine comes exclusively from Nigella sativa. You're looking for these small, matte black, kind of angular, funnel-shaped seeds. And when you crush them, they have this super pungent oregano-like aroma. But shady suppliers? They'll totally cut corners. They swap those out for incredibly cheap, non-medicinal lookalikes, like flat, tear-shaped black sesame seeds or onion seeds that completely lack that crucial peppery scent. And listen, if the seed is wrong to begin with, then everything inside that bottle you're buying is completely useless. Part 1. The Betrayal. Exposing the 5 industry lies. We're going to break these down so you know exactly what to look out for. I'm just going to rip the bandage off here, okay? Because we're in this together, and my absolute top priority is arming you with the knowledge to protect yourself. Let's start with lie number 1, purity. You'd probably assume a bottle that says black seed oil is actually, 100% black seed oil. Well, a lot of the time, it's not. Manufacturers frequently dilute the real stuff by up to 50% with incredibly cheap inflammatory fillers. We're talking about common, everyday junk like sunflower oil, soybean oil, or even castor oil. And how do they get away with it? Well, genuine black seed oil has this naturally intense, peppery flavor, so it perfectly masks the taste of all those cheap, synthetic dilutants. You wouldn't even know it's there. And sadly, that dilution leads us right into an even more dangerous practice. Toxic extraction methods. Look at the contrast here. On the left, you've got this pristine, laboratory-pure extraction. Beautiful, right? But on the right, that's the absolute biological horror of industrial solvent extraction. To squeeze out every last drop of oil as cheaply as humanly possible, some companies use harsh chemical solvents like hexane. And hexane is a known neurotoxin. Even just trace amounts of this toxic residue left behind in the oil can completely wreck your gut microbiome. It literally strips away the very health benefits you bought the oil for in the first place. Moving on to lie number 2, which is this incredibly deceptive marketing gimmick, artificial darkening. Think about it. You'd naturally assume that a darker, thicker oil means it's stronger and more potent, right? It totally makes sense. And these deceitful manufacturers know exactly how you think. So they artificially manipulate how the oil looks. They might roast the seeds before pressing them just to make the oil super dark, or they'll intentionally leave in a bunch of excessive sediment. But here's the crazy micro-mystery. Roasting those seeds actually destroys the super fragile active compounds, like our friend Thymoquinone. So a darker oil doesn't mean it's better. It almost always means it's damaged. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the only true measure of potency has absolutely nothing to do with color. It's all about the exact concentration of thymoquinone. A true premium medically viable black seed oil contains somewhere between 1.5% and 3.0% or higher TQ. See that golden drop right there? That represents concentrated, scientifically verified cellular defense. That is what you're actually paying for. Let's make this clinically crystal clear by looking at the therapeutic threshold scale. Look at the tiers here. For premium, maximum benefits, you absolutely need that 1.5 to 3.0% range. Standard therapeutic is sitting around 0.8 to 1.4%, and your absolute bare minimum threshold is 0.5 to 0.7%. But listen closely. If that TQ level drops below 0.5%, you are down in the substandard, totally ineffective zone. Clinically speaking, any oil with less than 0.5% TQ is practically useless for your health. You are not getting that systemic defense. You're literally just drinking expensive fat. Let's tackle lie number 3, the cold-pressed myth. So you look at a label and it proudly screams cold-pressed, right? That naturally leads you to believe all the delicate nutrients are perfectly intact. But here's the massive secret they don't want you to know. Giant industrial presses generate a tremendous amount of friction, and that friction creates heat that can easily spike well above the safe 90 to 120 degree Fahrenheit limit. This uncontrolled heat essentially cooks the oil right inside the machine. It obliterates the thymoquinone, oxidizes the delicate fatty acids, and totally breaks down the crucial enzymatic profile. So how do you actually defend yourself from this at home? It's simple. You use your own senses to instantly check for freshness. A pristine, high-quality oil has a super robust herbaceous aroma, and when you taste it, it gives you this sharp, spicy, almost peppery sensation. On the flip side, if you open a bottle and it hits you with a sour, metallic, or old grease kind of smell, or if it leaves a really flat, excessively bitter or sour aftertaste in your mouth, that oil is oxidized. It is rancid. Throw it away and definitely do not consume it. And this brilliantly illustrates our fourth lie, the completely false idea that the region the seeds come from doesn't matter. Well, the data proves otherwise. Things like climate, altitude, and soil chemistry strictly dictate a plant's specific phytochemical profile. For example, seeds that are forced to survive in the super harsh climates and higher altitudes of Ethiopia, they have to produce massive amounts of antioxidants just to survive, which pushes their TQ levels up to 2.0 or even 3.0% plus. Egypt and Syria sit solidly in the middle of the pack, but mass-produced seeds from places like India, they almost always fall way below that useless 0.5% threshold. It really all comes down to this incredible biological storytelling going on right within the soil itself. Take the Ethiopian highlands, for example. They feature this super unique volcanic ash and loamy soils that are just unbelievably rich in iron, copper, zinc, and phosphorus. That highly specific soil chemistry basically forces the Nigella sativa plant to synthesize the highest possible concentrations of essential fatty acids and trace minerals. The harsh, rugged environment literally builds the medicine. It's fascinating. Our final lie, lie number 5, is the incredibly dangerous assumption that food-grade and cosmetic-grade oils are somehow interchangeable. Let me be very clear. Never, ever ingest cosmetic-grade black seed oil. Cosmetic grades operate under entirely different, much looser regulatory frameworks. Because they're only meant to be rubbed on your skin, the rules allow for harsh extraction solvents that are totally illegal in food production. We're talking synthetic preservatives like parabens and significantly higher microbial limits for dangerous heavy metals. They completely lack the vital FDA-registered or ISO 22000 safety certifications you need before putting something inside your body. Okay, let's shift gears. Part 2. The Shield, your buyer's action plan. Now that we know the tricks, let's talk about how to protect ourselves. Like I said earlier, we are completely in this together. I want to arm you with the exact protocols and tools to make sure you never fall victim to these scams. But first, let's do a really quick reminder of exactly why fighting for this level of purity matters so much in the first place. When you manage to get the real deal, the systemic benefits for your body are scientifically profound. The synergistic terpenes and TQ team up to mitigate severe oxidative stress. In clinical lab settings, this stuff has actually been shown to trigger apoptosis, which is essentially programmed cell death in aberrant mutated cells.
Plus, it acts as a really powerful natural bronchodilator for your respiratory health. And it even inhibits alpha-glucosidase enzymes, which is a huge deal because that helps perfectly smooth out those nasty post-meal blood sugar spikes. To guarantee you actually get all those amazing benefits, here is your rapid 4-step pre-purchase checklist. Step 1. Always verify that the ingredient label strictly says 100% pure, cold-pressed Nigella sativa oil, nothing else. Step 2. Check the geography. You want to prioritize oils coming from Ethiopia or Egypt. Step 3. Scan the bottle for that exact TQ percentage. Remember, you need a minimum of a 0.8%, but ideally, you're looking for over 1.5%. And step 4. Always demand the certificate of analysis. So the crucial point is, no transparency means no purchase. Ever, period.
Now this right here is exactly what real transparency looks like. This is a certificate of analysis, or a COA. Basically, it's a third-party laboratory analysis summary. You absolutely need to look at this document to verify that the thymoquinone physically passes the threshold we talked about. You want to see that heavy metals are clearly marked as not detected and that absolutely zero solvent residue is present. Oh, and also keep a really close eye out for rapid visual confirmations of quality on the bottle itself, like those trusted USP, non-GMO project, or NSF international seals. Finally, your absolute last line of defense is proper storage. Once you've actually invested in a pure, high-quality product, you need to keep it stored in Myron or amber glass. This strictly limits light and oxygen exposure from degrading the oil. Keep it tightly sealed in a cool, dark place, like a kitchen pantry. And this is super important. Avoid constant refrigeration. Taking that bottle in and out of the cold fridge creates condensation inside the glass, which rapidly leads to spoilage and completely ruins the oil.
Wow, okay, we have covered a tremendous amount of ground today, peeling back the layers of what is clearly a deeply flawed and often super deceptive industry. The stakes here are very real for you and your family. So the big question you really have to ask yourself right now is, will you let manipulative marketing dictate your cellular health, or will you step up, take control of the standard, and demand exactly what your body actually needs? The good news is you absolutely do not have to navigate this complicated, sketchy market all by yourself. To make absolutely sure you have all of this critical data right at your fingertips when you need it most, arm yourself with our free Black Seed Oil Buyer's Guide to verify purity and protect your family. This isn't just some commercial guide, guys. It is a vital, protective resource specifically designed to help you completely avoid these industry lies. Grab it, use it as your personal shield, and never, ever compromise on your health again.